You might be thinking the world of vaping has gone very quiet, but some companies out there are releasing innovation and new devices one after the other, and Oxva is one of those companies as they now release the Xlim 3 Ultra. I mean, it was only the other day we had the Xlim Pro 3, which replaced the DNA version, the Pro 2, with a much bigger battery, and now they're at it again. So let's take a look at the latest device from Oxva. Here it is, the Xlim 3 Ultra, and yeah, again, you know, you can't blame me. I've gone for a kind of carbon-esque model. There's your kind of global view of the device. It's a pod device. Let's start from the top down. It takes all of the Xlim pods. Now, I get some hate. I see the comments, you know, oh, you always go, oh, it takes this pod, that resistance. Look, okay, let me make it really simple for you. These are the pods that I use for my Xlim DNA Pro 2. The easy cartridges, which is snapping off the top to refill, or you can use the side fill. Both of these will do. So yes, I have a 0.6 in here, but you also get a 0.8 mesh pod in the box if you want to try out another resistance. They are both side fill, and if you're an international viewer watching from America, Dubai, or anywhere else in the world, you'll be able to get a 3mm version. If you're in Europe, TPD law is 2mm. Side refill on there, you just get your nail underneath, and that's where you fill your pod up. You'll see there's the resistance on the base of the pod, 0.6, 20 to 25 watts, but it is a smart device, so it will adjust to what it believes is best for you. Really, really good. As you can see, no leaking, no condensation on the base of this. So we drop that one in the top, which leads us to the last part of the atomizer, which is on this side, the massive adjustable airflow. So great for a 0.4 direct, or you can close it off for a restricted inhale. It does everything. It does have that new high density battery, so you've got a 1500 milliamp hour battery in here, 2 amp fast charge on this one. It's going to give you an 80% charge in about half an hour. USB-C charging on the base on this one. You're not even going to have to charge it for 4 days if you're using, say, the 1.2 ohm pod. This device has the new technology from the chip, which is that smart pulse. So it never lets it get too hot. It's very efficient in its delivery, and it will last you around about 4 days. The power output from this device is 5 to 30 watts. So you've got that big battery, which is going to last because the most you can go to is 30 watts, which is perfect because the lowest resistance is just a 0.4. So a restricted direct to lung. We have a lock button to the fire button on the side, so we can lock it off by sliding up and down. That will stop you accidentally pressing the fire button, and that will then make it just inhale activated. So you can do both or just do inhale activated. That gloss screen is hiding just over a 2.2 inch HD full touch display. It's like smartphone levels of sharpness. It's 60 hertz or something ridiculous refresh rate. So it's like looking at a phone. It's incredible. Yeah, you can slide up and you go through the vaping animations, of which there's different options to choose, and all of these animations are just enhancers to the whole experience, really. It's got an animation. It's something everyone's doing with these user interfaces. If you can, then they do, and there's some cool ones out, you know, so it depends what you're into. Obviously they do drain the battery to some extent, but you get the joy of looking cool, I guess. Swiping up gives you vaping animations. Swipe down, you can see eco mode. You've got setup and languages on there, so you can adjust through. Then you've got some screen adjustments, a guide, and general settings. Each one of these is just touch. So you can shut down, restart, system reset. So the puff count, it will give you a readout here. So you can see for the day, I've had 22 puffs. For the week, for the month, And then what I accidentally did, which was clear puff count. Currently locked, 68% of power, 22 watts is what it's running at. The resistance is 0.6, there's 0 puffs, and the time of the last vape is the very last one. So now when I fire, I have this vape in blue. So what do I think of the device? Well, for me, it's all the buses come in at once. You wait around for an hour and then all of a sudden there's bus after bus or train after train. And in vaping, it seems very much like that. You know, as we get to the end of the year, people are looking for gifts for their partner, New Year's resolution. Everyone starts to think about quitting and getting a gym membership. So it's no real surprise that Oxva have released 2 great devices at the same time. Very simple to use. Have no hesitation. If you're a first-time user and you've just quit smoking, well done. This sort of device, you can pick it up, drop the pod in. You've got the 0.6, the 0.8 in the box. Ever so easy to use. As soon as you drop it on, give it 5 minutes. Otherwise you will burn the cotton. So it needs to saturate the cotton. Fill it up, 5 minutes, drop it onto the device. It will read the coil and it will tell you the right amount of wattage to give it. What I would say is lock the fire button. Yeah, that was a cool animation. Definitely changed the whole vaping experience for me. But the thing with Oxva and the Xlim range, I've said it before, I'll say it again. Incredible flavour. They've got the updated chip where it does pulse mode. There's no opting out of it. It's giving you power all the way through and flavour all the way through. Whereas with some devices, when it hits like 30% battery, you're noticing it's not giving you enough power to the coil. So the flavour, the inhale experience is totally different to when it's like 90% battery. If you like what you see and you want to see more, some handy guidance, which one to get, which is going to suit you best, then we've got loads of other videos. You should check them out. The easy way is make sure you're subscribed just down there. Maybe hit like if you enjoyed the video, and there'll be another one coming up any second around here. See you then. Bye. Hope you like the shirt. Oh, Gwen.